this activity is focused on applying the principles of motion economy and work study in a real-world manual task, assembling DIY first aid kits. The task involves producing 15 identical outputs while maintaining consistency in method, hand motion visibility, and applying industrial engineering techniques to optimize performance. The objectives of this activity are first, to perform a manual work process for assembling 15 identical first aid kits, to ensure consistent methods and normal working pace from outputs 1 to 10, to apply the principles of motion economy to improve productivity, and lastly, to develop and compare two improved methods using work study and measurement principles. Before we start, here are the materials needed for this process. Zip bags to hold the first aid kit items. Cotton pads for cleaning and wound care. Alcohol pads for sanitizing wounds. Band-aids for covering and protecting cuts. Input tray for materials and output tray to hold the finished first aid kits. Part 1. The original method demonstration. First, I will demonstrate the original method for assembling one kit. Step 1. Pick up a zip bag and open it using both hands. Hold the bag with your left hand. Use your right hand to pick and insert the cotton pads, alcohol pad, and band-aid one at a time. Zip the bag closed using both hands and place the finished kit into the output tray. Repeat these steps until all 15 kits are completed. For this method, the motion economy principles observed are fixed layout, items arranged logically from left to right, excessive reaching, one-hand item handling increases time, asymmetrical hand motion, imbalance in hand usage, and lastly, higher mental effort to track each item. Part 2. Improve Method 1. Collecting all items before inserting. Now, let's demonstrate Improve Method 1 by reducing individual movements and using both hands more efficiently. Step 1. Open the zip bag using both hands. Hold it with your left hand. With your right hand, pick up all 3 items at once. Insert all items in the bag, and lastly, zip and place into the output tray. And repeat the steps until all 15 kits are completed. The motion economy principle used for this method are both hands used actively, fewer motions, reduced mental strain, smooth and continuous process. Part 3, Improved Method 2, Batch Processing for Higher Efficiency. Finally, I will apply batch processing for greater efficiency in Improved Method 2. Here are the steps. 1. Open 5 zip bags and arrange them on the tray. Collect cotton pads, alcohol pads, and band-aids for all 5 kits. Insert each item into each bag sequentially. Zip all bags one after the other. Transfer to the output tray. And repeat the steps until all 15 kits are completed. The motion economy principles applied for these methods are: batch processing reduces interruptions, balanced hand usage, consistent speed, efficient work layout. Here is the summary of the time and efficiency gained with each method. This activity showed how simple manual work can be analyzed and optimized using motion economy and industrial engineering tools. Thank you so much.